G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone. We're just here with JB. We just finished insulating the roof. This is a friend of mine. He's a tradesman and a trainer, and he helped us out today just to finish off this batch job. What do you reckon, JB?
Yeah, well, being a trainer, I wanted to come out and just see how Pete worked in the construction industry. And we just got out in the roof there. We got fall protection behind Peter there, and good access. Oh, it's hard work, hard yakka, but all I can say is anyone that does this type of work and does it to Peter's quality, I'm sure Peter might be able to get a little view underneath there in a minute, but all the way out to the tapered edges of where the ceiling meets the roof line, hard work. It must be about 60, 70 degrees under there. As you can see, I'm actually completely soaked. My shorts are completely soaked. And basically I was feeding the bats out to Peter from the middle of the roof to the outer reaches of the roof, and Peter crawls around on his, on his belly, on his side. He's probably got scratches and bruises laying across the rafters, but he's a really, really good tradesman, and his work is quality. So regardless of price comparison, if you want a good job, I just suggest you pay the bit extra if it is, and get Peter to get it done. You only have to get it done once.
Yeah, thanks, JB.